Hi everyone. In this video, I'm going to show you how to scrape all business data from Google Maps based on your chosen keyword, with just one click. First, open Google Maps and select the area you want to target. Next, log into the MKT Maps software, choose the Scan by Keyword function, and enter the name of the area you want to scan. Then, input the keywords you want the software to search for. There's no limit to how many keywords you can use. Finally, hit Start, and the software will automatically collect detailed information about all the local businesses that match your location and keywords. Once the scan is complete, just export the data into an Excel file. And there you have it, all the information you need to run your sales or marketing campaign. Alright, that's it for this video. If you find this tool helpful, feel free to contact me for full instructions. See you in the next video.